I want to savor it. But it's cool. After smashing you, I'll PayPal you 2K. Oh no, you getting mad? You knocked the phone right out of my hand? That shit was fucking absurd. You're a rapper who can't resolve shit with words? Talk like you need some taste. Hey, is that your IQ or your age? Hey, say to your audience face. Hey, how Jacob's notorious taste. Hey, look afraid, must have seen a ghost rider. Well, ditto, little bitch, but I'm not scared to show mine. Woo! You've been pretending ever since your little vice bolt descended. That kids think you did it all when you weren't capable of making up playground insults. That's that. But then I heard you tried to rap. I was more disappointed than when I found out Casey Neistat didn't have nice tats. Boy, gotta flex. Gotta flex, flex, flex. Because when you've got no personality, replace it with a Rolex. You really don't see your friends rolling their eyes, hoping to die. They're so tired of you throwing the prize of what you buy in their face. No. You think they're gonna say, oh my god, you're such a legend. You make me so wet with your reckless spending. You gain my respect and you're oh so funny. Please, take me to your mansion and fuck me. You're fucking delusional, so try your best to remember. You are not a pimp, you're a borderline sex offender. This boy a flavor of the month. But which is it, huh? A whiny Vietnamese wannabe gangsta? It's salt and vinegar. You're like Kanye, without the talent. Like Jackie Chan, but a little faggot. Like Soulja Boy. Actually, yeah, you're exactly like Soulja Boy.
So you don't wanna look like a little bitch, but dude, you're gonna be crucified. How can you claim that shit when you're too scared to go and cutie pie?
Little hoe, little bitch. Suck my 5.3 in school. Admit that you just got pounded. I'd say take the L if you could pronounce it. Get it? Because you're Asian? That's what you wanted, right? Hey, let's make fun of the Ashenbauer with his Ashenbauerish eyes. Jesus Christ, you're as predictable as a house tour. To call you surface level would be an insult to the ground floor. Whatever you promise to follow, you quit. You can't persist for shit, you narcissistic prick. Your audience is fickle. Here's what I predict. Your channel's bound to crash down to rubble. Oh no. How the fuck can someone go dumb? Not realize they're in a